Matthew 3. For that time, John the Baptist dey preach inside wilderness for Judea, say, make una turn from sin come meet God, because God kingdom don near. Now this John prophet Isaiah talk about, say, one person dey shout inside wilderness, say, make una make God road straight. John wear cloth wey dem use camel hair make. He use leather belt tie waist, and na locust and honey for bush he dey chop. People from Jerusalem, Judea, and all the town where they near Jordan River, they run go meet him. And he come baptize them inside Jordan River after them confess their sins. But when he see many Pharisee and Sadducee people they come make he baptize them, he can't tell them, una snake children, who warn una about God judgment where they come? Now make una do wetin go show say una don turn from sin come meet God. Make una not think say una don free because una say Abraham na our papa. Make I tell una, God fit turn all this stone to Abraham's children. Now sef, dem don put the axe for the tree bottom, and any tree wey no bear better fruit, dem go cut am, throw am inside fire. Go I dey baptize una with water, make una for turn from sin come meet God. But the person wey go come after strong pass me. I no big reach to lose the rope wey dey him shoe. Na him go baptize una with Holy Spirit and fire. The fan wey he go take blow kanda comot from corn dey him hand, and he go gather and keep him corn inside store, come burn the dirty for fire wey no dey quench. Jesus come from Galilee, make John for baptize am for Jordan River. But John wan come stop am, say, na you suppose baptize me, instead you come meet me make I baptize you? Jesus answer, make it be so now, it better make we do everything wey God want. So John come baptize am. As Jesus dey come out from the water after John don baptize am, heaven open, and John come see God's spirit wey be like dove stay on top Jesus' head. Na him one voice from heaven come say, this na my pikin wey I love, and e dey make belle sweet me.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.